Today we're going to show you how to pair wireless Apple CarPlay into your new Subaru Outback vehicle. So starting from the home screen, if you don't already have a phone paired in, you'll be able to select that little phone icon and then it will pop up automatically. Now if you do have phones already in here, you may have to select this little cog wheel over on the side. And then on the right side, we're going to go with Manage Devices over here. And then that's where you'll see the phone list here, and you can just simply add. So we're going to start by selecting that. Now we're going to go back to our phone, and then we're going to go to the gray settings menu. So with the little cog wheel on here, go ahead and select that. And then the third one down will be Bluetooth. So making sure the Bluetooth is on, you're going to scroll to the bottom where you're going to see Outback. So go ahead and select Outback. And now we're going to go through a few different prompts. One of those being the number here, matching the number on the screen. So if that works, go ahead and select pair. And then you can allow contacts and favorites to be synced. So we'll go ahead and allow that. And then one last click will be to connect to Apple CarPlay. So go ahead and select that. Now back on our screen here, you're going to see, would you like to enable CarPlay? So you do have to click yes here, and then you can set the phone as your favorite device. So like I said, if there's more phones in there, you can set this one to be your favorite or not. That is up to you. Now you will get the wireless Apple CarPlay in here, and every time you get into the vehicle, it will connect wirelessly. You won't have to do this again. So you can swipe through. There's a few different menus that you'll be able to see over here on the side that will show you some of your notifications or your weather, which is really cool. And then your maps will also be built in, and then also any of your text messaging. And then if you need to go back to the menu, you can just click Subaru here and it will take you back to the home screen.